Want to start your day right? This is a routine that I often go to in the morning just to get that tone set so that I'm relaxed, I'm focused, and I have energy throughout the day. Just taking a few moments to ground in the morning is invaluable. I can just sit and breathe without balls, just doing any kind of breath work you like, just inhale, exhale. It can be yoga nidra, it can be anything, just breathe, right? The other thing is like, I'm gonna set you up for the balls. So I can breathe and I can take my arm up, I can bend the elbow, I grab my elbow, I open my shoulder blade this way, right? So I open up. I push my forearm and hand as if I'm holding the ceiling up. I get long through both sides and I can side bend here a little bit. Now I'm going to breathe with focus into this side. I'm on my right side, so I'm going to take my breath and really breathe out into my ribs. And exhale. You can do deep inhales and exhales. You can do retention, where you hold it a moment and then you exhale fully and deeply. I like breathing in and out the nose, but you can certainly add out the mouth. Adding sound helps your vagus nerve, so it can look like this. Inhale deeply through the nose. And you could do like, or ah, or just, you know, that just helps vibrationally get you going. You always want to do both sides, so I'm going to do the other side, and it's different from side to side, right? I'm going to grab that elbow, I'm going to hold that ceiling up. So this is a stretch up, this is a stretch through that whole side. I can stretch a little bit out that way. I can side bend a little bit, breathing into it and exhale. So that's without a ball, right? That alone is great. I already feel a little looser, but you want to take it next level. Grab your gold Yamuna ball, put it in your armpit. You want to make sure you really get it between the pec and your shoulder blade. This is the first part. You want to be able to do that, right? Wrap the elbow around, grab your wrist. Now this is all rotated forward, so I consciously slide that shoulder down the back body, get as tall as I can, balancing my front and back body. And then I side bend from my head to shoulder, my ear to top of shoulder. I can keep working this open, this down. I can pull the ribs down with the ball. Now I'm going to add breath to it. Any of those breaths work. You can do Kapalabhati, you can do any kind of breathing you want. Just big, deep in and out. You can do retention. They all work. Just breathe. It's not that difficult. And you're going to feel the fascia unwind. You're going to feel the bones get stimulated. It actually gets lymph flowing, circulation flowing. And it completely reset my shoulder. Now I'm going to do this side. Get that ball in there. I like to lift up a little bit to give a little bit of space here so I can so you want to make sure you can get that. Wrap that lower arm, grab, sometimes it's just the fingertips, some of us can grab the hand or the wrist. I'm going to get that going and work that down. So you want that balance, you want that openness. And I side bend and I breathe. Oh, it's heavenly, it's glorious. It's just a great way to start your morning. Gets the cobwebs out after sleeping in the fetal position all night. And you can be loose with it, flow, easy, twist a little bit. You can be more intentional and really spread those ribs down, but always do both sides, okay? That's the most important part. Give it a try. I think you're going to really like adding that to your morning routine.